Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to update the price for a listing in Brooklyn MLS. First of all, log in and then go down to my listings, my active listings, and of course if you're looking for something that is not active and it was in contract, you can also see the my contract listings here. We don't have any currently in contract, but you would see it in the same section. But anyway, go to my active listings as a shortcut, find the listing, click on the MLS number, and then hit edit. Here you'll see a shortcut for price change. Very simply, you can then change the price. Since this is a Hauseit agent assisted FSBO listing, check out what the seller sent us via their listing update. Very carefully copy the price that they want. Delete the old price and then input, copy and paste, right, the new price. And then hit submit listing. You'll see that there was an error here, and it's because they don't accept commas. So then it automatically removed the commas, which is helpful, but you should always double check to make sure it's 575,000, 575,000. You do not want to update a list price with a missing digit or two. That's going to really infuriate the seller. So then we know it's correct, we've double checked, and we're going to hit submit listing, and boom, this is done. Afterwards, of course, take a screenshot of the price change and send it to the seller. This way, when you hit reply to the client, you will insert our standard canned response for listing update. Just input that, hit plus, and then you should attach the screenshot. In this case, we're simply just going to do a Control V. And remember to also include attachments or screenshots of other MLS systems such as One Key MLS, RealTMX, and also StreetEasy. RealTMX is the service that accesses the Revenue RLS. So any other MLS systems that require screenshots, make sure to include them as well, not just this one, obviously. And then once you're done, hit send and close the ticket. So there you go. We hope you found this video helpful. That's how you update a listing price on the Brooklyn MLS. We always recommend having other tabs open, such as RealTMX to access the Revenue RLS, Stratus, this is for One Key MLS, and then StreetEasy, of course. So if you need to make a change on a listing, for example, in South Brooklyn, that's in all four of these, you're already logged in. It's quick to make the change in all places. We hope you found this video helpful. Leave us a comment below if you have any questions. And of course, if you're looking to save money when you buy or sell property in New York or Florida, check us out, Hauseit.com. And if you're a real estate agent looking to join us and work with our vetted buyer and seller referral clients, check out our careers page at Hauseit.com. We hope to see you on the next one.